The Philadelphia experiment is a conspiracy theory that claims that in 1943, the U.S. Navy conducted a secret experiment at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard that resulted in the disappearance of a Navy destroyer, the USS Eldridge. Navy conducted a secret experiment at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard that resulted in the disappearance of a Navy destroyer, the USS Eldridge. According to the conspiracy theory, the experiment was an attempt to make the ship invisible to radar and to create a means of teleportation. The experiment is said to have been a complete failure, with disastrous consequences for the crew. The story goes that the Navy used an electromagnetic field generator to make the ship disappear. However, the experiment allegedly went wrong, and the ship not only disappeared, but it was also teleported to another location, some claim as far away as Norfolk, Virginia, before reappearing in Philadelphia. The crew members who survived the experiment were reportedly either fused into the ship's metal structure or were driven insane. The conspiracy theory gained traction in the 1950s, after a man named Morris K. Jessup claimed to have received letters from a man named Carlos Miguel Allende, who said he had witnessed the experiment. Jessup published a book about the incident, The Case for the UFO, in which he suggested that the experiment was related to alien technology. However, there is no concrete evidence to support the existence of the Philadelphia experiment. The U.S. Navy has denied any involvement in such an experiment and maintains that the USS Eldridge never disappeared. There are also no records of any of the crew members being fused to the ship or going insane as a result of the experiment. Furthermore, many of the claims made by proponents of the Philadelphia experiment have been debunked. For example, it has been shown that Carlos Miguel Allende likely never existed and that the letters he purportedly sent to Jessup were likely hoaxes. Additionally, the technology necessary to create the kind of electromagnetic field that would be needed to make a ship invisible simply did not exist in 1943. In conclusion, the Philadelphia experiment is a conspiracy theory with no credible evidence to support it. While it has captured the imagination of many people over the years, there is no reason to believe that it is anything more than a work of fiction.